Have you ever wondered if there was a way to make money by just listening to music and sharing it for free? Well, I might have something that is perfect for you. One song could earn you $7. Two songs could make up to $14, tens on $70, and so forth. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get paid up to $750 in Pay Colony just by listening to music and sharing it for free with no cost to you if you're watching this chances. If you want to make money online but you don't want to do anything too strenuous or time-consuming, you probably also love listening to music. However, did you know you could actually make money just by listening to music? You might think that this is a scam, but I'm going to show you how it's done and how simple it really is. By following the instructions in this video, you could start making money by listening to music today. Keep in mind the process I'm about to show you is super simple and doesn't take a lot of time to implement to start earning some extra cash. The more songs you listen to in your spare time and do what I'm about to show you consistently, the more money you could potentially earn. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money on the side, then this video is definitely for you. Welcome to another video on the Income Hut YouTube channel. My name is Ayash, and I help regular everyday people make money online using simple strategies and tools so they can earn more passive income during their free time, stop struggling to make ends meet, and ultimately regain more of that precious time and financial freedom we all want to be able to invest into our families and the projects we're more passionate about. Before we get into today's video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to stay up to date with all the latest videos that get uploaded to our channel on how to make money online. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below with any questions or just to let us know how much you love these body-packed videos done. Cool, now let's get started. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, then you'll want to listen up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid up to $750 just by listening to music in your spare time. That's right, no selling or complex tasks are required, no learning how to create music from scratch or paying for anything to make this work. All you need is a love of music and some spare time. With only 5 to 10 minutes of your time on a daily basis, you could start making money with this easy method in no time. Best of all, there's no limit to how much profit you can make. So no matter who you are or where you're from, whether you're looking for a new side hustle or just want some extra cash for the holidays, stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. I also want to show you that people from all over the world are making money using this platform every single day just by simply listening to music and sharing it online. I'll show you exactly how they're doing it so that you can start making money too. Also, there are many different ways that you can withdraw your money from this platform. You can use PayPal, Pay Your Web Money, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other payment options that might suit you. For step number 1, you just need to sign up for the platform of your choice to receive money like PayPal or Payeer. So just go to paypal.com or payeer.com for you've actually received the money that you're earning from this platform quickly. And as you can see on the screen, the minimum payout is only $1, so you don't need thousands of dollars saved up in order to withdraw what you've earned from this platform. For step number 2, go to pixabay.com and click on music, or just enter pixabay.com music into your URL bar. Basically, Pixabay is a website where you can find copyright-free images, videos, and audio files to use for your own creative projects. This is a great resource for anyone who wants to create content online but doesn't have the time or money to invest in expensive music options or create music from scratch. Copyright-free material means that the creator has surrendered their copyright to the public, meaning that anyone can use and modify the material without penalty. There are no restrictions on how you can use the songs, so they're perfect for bloggers, video editors, and entrepreneurs, etc. And in our case, we can use it to make money online too. At pixabay.com music, you can find songs from a variety of genres as shown on the left side of the screen: electronic, upbeat beats, beautiful plays, hip-hop, main title, modern, classical. More are all available for your selection. There are an incredible number of songs on this site, and each one has the potential to earn you around $7 every time you upload it to the previous platform. So the more songs you listen to and share, the more money you can make over time. So in order to start listening to one of these songs, simply press the button over here and the song will automatically begin playing for you. Listen to this song, then decide if you like it and think others would also. If you find it dull or boring, move on and play another song. You need to listen to a variety of songs to find something you personally enjoy that you think other people will too, which is crucial. Let's say we go with hip-hop. Here's a song in that genre. Now for video purposes, let's just say that I think this one is really good and I like it. I've listened to it a few times, so now all you need to do is press the download button right here. Once you click it, the song will be downloaded onto your computer. Continue downloading several of these songs, maybe around 15 to 20, so that you have a good range to choose from. The more of them you have, the better off you'll be. And then just continue to step 3. Before we proceed with the next steps, if you want to earn $500 per day by upload videos on YouTube sitting at home, then go to the description link that I have told that you can earn $500 per day from YouTube and get traffic on your video. And here I will show you how you create YouTube video in just one click. If you say to be rich, then it is now. It will depend on your actions, so check out the link in description. Now continue to our topic. Step number 3 is to go over to a platform we were on initially called upload-forever.com. Upload-forever.com is a platform where you can upload different things with this cloud storage service. You can upload files and get paid for sharing them. So not only is the file sharing free, but you'll actually earn money from doing something that's so easy you can see that your files are safe while also profiting from different payment methods, or even converting your earnings into other products like awards, gifts, and more. The platform pays you because when someone downloads a file from this website like a photo, video, PDF document, or music, they'll see some ads. When they skip those ads and go to the landing page, this platform will share its ad revenue with you. In other words, both you and the platform make money whenever someone downloads one of your files. To start, simply create a free account by filling out the information on this page. Check the I'm not a robot box, then click the blue sign up button. You don't have to spend any money on a premium membership or anything. This is free forever. Once you have entered your basic information and hit the login button over here, you'll be able to access your account. Next, you can upload anything you want on this platform. But we're going to focus on music since that's what we're here for. You can click on Make Money to see how this actually works. As you can see, the amount you're paid will depend on the geographic location of the people downloading the files you share. The page says here that you will be paid $3 per 1,000 downloads from Tier 4 countries and $7 per 1,000 downloads from top Tier 1 countries. If you scroll down, you can also view the different payment methods I mentioned earlier. In order to use and withdraw cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, you'll need to have at least 100 in your account. If you want to use some other options like Payoneer, that's 50. If you want to go with NetDollar, it's $5. Skrill is $5, however. If you use PayPal or Payeer, then the minimum payout is just $1. In other words, you can take the money out of your account as soon as it hits $1, send it directly to your PayPal account, and spend it on whatever you please. To upload a file, click on Upload Files, then choose the file you wish to upload. You can also write a brief description and change the title if you'd like. Make sure it is set to public so people on the platform can see, download, and use your song. Once everything looks good, hit start the upload and wait for it to load, which will depend on how fast your internet connection is. You can also see that once the song is uploaded, you get a shareable link that you could share across different social media platforms as well. If you go through My Files on the left side, you'll be able to see all of the different songs that you have uploaded. For example, with this song, we can click on the Actions tab and edit the song. We can also set a price for it, let's say $7 for this one. Then we just need to click Submit. If someone downloads this song, you will earn $7. People typically download songs like this to use as copyright-free background music for YouTube videos. A lot of people don't know that they can find copyright-free songs on pixabay.com. So they would just go to this website, and when they download, you could get paid $7 per song download. Keep in mind that you won't make hundreds of dollars overnight. The more songs you share on the platform consistently, however, the higher your chances are of making a good amount of extra money. So to sum things up, this video outlines how you can make money by listening to music and sharing it on a free website. The site pays you whenever someone downloads one of your files, and the amount you're paid will depend on where they are downloading from. You can also set a price for each song that you upload. So if someone downloads your song to use as copyright-free background music for their YouTube video, you could earn money just by simply listening to and uploading different music. If you want to earn passive income from YouTube, like $500 per day, so check the description link. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get you notified immediately whenever we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and together let's learn and earn online. See you in the next video.